Hey there, Mac users! It's your friendly tech guru Anna here, coming at you from For Real, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're tackling something that might just be a game changer for your everyday Mac usage. Have you ever wanted to close all your open apps on your Mac in one go instead of manually quitting each one? Well, you're in luck because today I've got the lowdown on exactly how to make that happen. Okay, let's kick things off with the keyboard shortcut. This is a neat inbuilt feature that allows you to quit all apps without having to shut each one down individually. Let's take a look at how it's done. If you're in an app and you want to quit, it's super easy. Just click on the app name in the menu bar at the top of your screen and then select Quit App. If an app is being stubborn and not closing as it should, you can force quit it. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the menu bar, select Force Quit, find the naughty app, and then click the Force Quit button. Simple. But you're here to learn how to quit all apps at the same time, right? Here's the keyboard combination to use. To quit all apps at the same time, Command plus Option plus Escape, Command plus A, and then hit Enter. To quit all apps one by one, Command plus Tab, and then Command plus Q. Moving on, we're going to talk about Apple's not often enough loved child, Automator. This is an app that you might not have heard of, but trust me, it's got some real tricks up its sleeve. With Automator, we can set up an automation that will quit all your apps at the same time. Here's the step-by-step on how to set it up. 1. Open up the Automator app. 2. Create a new application. 3. Search for Quit in the search box. 4. Drag Quit All Applications from the left to the right side of the work area. 5. Search for Run Apple Script. Drag it beneath the Quit All Applications box. 6. Highlight your script goes here in the Apple script box and replace it with Tell Application Finder close every window. 7. Click File in the menu bar and click Save. 8. Name your file and save it in Applications. 9. Move this new application to your dock or desktop for easy access and click on the icon to run it. Once you've run this, all your apps should close. You can also set it up to ask to save changes so you don't lose any work. Isn't that just brilliant? Hold on a second. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment. It really helps us to keep bringing you the content you love. And that's it, folks. The hidden world of quickly quitting all apps on a Mac right at your fingertips. Remember, Automator and keyboard shortcuts are your friends, so use them and save some time. This has been Anna from For Real, always here to make your tech life just a little bit simpler. Until next time, stay savvy and keep exploring the wonderful world of tech.